All right. So I'm going to show that how microservice work and how one service communicate with other service. So I have do the communication using Kafka. We can also use RabbitMQ, but I have applied here Kafka. I have to show that in my compose file. Bitnami legacy actually Bitnami new version not working here, so I used legacy here. So I used here to keeper and for Kafka. So let me explain all services. So first of all, I have set a API gateway. From here, click here for 001 for products, next 2 for user and for orders. And our API gateway will run for 400, which will work as a lower code jar. Okay, let's show order service. So order service is now for 4003 and I have keep here for post action to create an order. And product service is for here. It will run at 4001 and it shows the products. And I have to show that how API gateway their work user. Maybe user is for 4003 too, but our API gateway is run for 4000. And for products, by API gateway, just for products, it will route to the product service and we get the product. Okay. Uh, okay. 4001 for products. So when it get path for products, when it get path for products, then it route to the product services. Right? They are the product services. So there I have created 3 services and I have a message broker for product order services and user services. Let me show how it works. Right? Okay. So I have previously created one for this purpose. Suppose so for you too. So if we notice here, I call for post or post part for localhost 400 orders. I mean, okay, this is the orders. This is the post for create now. Okay, just to show that how it works, and you notice the below here how Kafka works. Yes. Okay, create. Wow. Order created and user service received a message. Where is this message? Right, let me show. If I investigate the user service, where is the user service? Log service, user service. Okay. Okay. This is the user service and user service as you work here as a consumer. Consumer will get a message from where subscribe. So it subscribe the user events and when the user events get any sense, then the consumer will get a message. And I have set a message user service received. What is received data? From where? It's come from order service. Excellent here. How work message broker here. Order ID and user ID too. There is no if I look here, there is no order ID. It's just user ID, right? And username, but there is no order ID from where it come. Okay. So let's go for order service. I'll share the repository in my GitHub. Okay, for order services, where is my order service there? Okay, the order service just I have for create order, and as a producer, okay, it got the order ID as a from the request body and user ID, which I make from here, user ID 2 set and cause it for create an order. Okay, now create another one. If I user one, then user ID 1 verify and I call here order service, but it take message from user services. Okay, user service received order ID and user ID are emerging. So this is how message broker working for communication one service to another service. Okay, thank you.